Well, we just went through nearly a 4 hour power outage. The little homemade cooler incubator only fell down 4 degrees. It was at 90 well, 5 degrees. It was at 98 degrees or 95 degrees when the power came back on. They were all sleeping in a bundle, and they griped at me whenever I flashed a flashlight in their eyes. This little incubator, in that 4 hours, wrapped up in a towel and blanket and everything else, was at 81 degrees when the power came back on. So a cooler works way better than these little things. Just a little tidbit for y'all. Thank y'all. Y'all have a good evening.